Hey, thanks for coming by. All right, so this is just an update to my software, the Android stuff. The PC stuff that is old and buggy. This I've really put all my attention on the Android. What you're looking at here is, I think, essentially what's going to be like my quote-unquote paid app on Google, my $1.50 to I don't know something, but you can get this for, you're watching the video, so thank you, and my thank you for that is the link. I mean, if you even care, go ahead and grab this. It's an APK file again. If you go to that website, thoughtpill.com, you will not be able to find a link or be able to find a file by walking around the website. So the link below is really the only way to grab it, and it should just start downloading a file. Again, it's an APK file. You should be able to just install on your Android, which probably won't recognize me, but you just say, yeah, install this from this guy or whatever, or whoever these people are. So anyway, what did I find? Well, there's a couple things that I found in the software. One of the main things was I wasn't initializing the device completely, meaning I wasn't sending a reset. I wasn't sending an ATZ command, if you want to know the full details. So what was happening is now I'm messing around with my CAN app, which I'm going to make a video of. Here's a little shot of it. See that? That's my CAN app. And what was happening is I was messing around with the CAN and the addresses and stuff, and when I would get back to this app, it wouldn't work. It's like, damn. So if you might have used or plugged into somebody else's app and it might have configured it differently, this wouldn't have worked. That's a big problem. So one or two people said, yeah, this worked for me, and I'm thanking God, like, God, thank you very much for letting this work for these people, but it's like I can't go on that kind of luck, right? So now this thing, it's not plugged in. I don't have a car, but the dongle's wired up and powered, so now it should connect, unless I am on. I thought it might be trying to get to the Wi-Fi, which is my. I know how it goes. Let me go over here. Let me set this to my Bluetooth, which is really the one that the Wi-Fi is a pain in the neck, right? Because you got to change your actual Wi-Fi connection. All right, so now it will connect. It should resetting device, right, and initialize. Now you won't see that, but no matter where in this app you run, like if you didn't start here, if you just went right to, let me, I don't think it'll say it, but actually it won't say it. But if you went right to, say, DTCs, if you didn't run this page first, wherever you ran to, because it's centralized how the communication system works, it will initialize at least once when you run the app. So it won't reset your device every time. It should only reset it sort of once per, when you're running the app. You close it, it would reset it again. So that was an important thing. Big deal, right? Because I need it to work every time. We need it to be at a simple thing. We need it to be at a known state when the damn thing starts. And that wasn't happening. So when it was working for us, it was only because we were lucky and God was good. Okay, the other thing is the LED. I didn't like the circle up there. It seemed kind of cheap, right? So I don't know if you noticed that. Let me click that. See, we got a nice little blinky light here. Actually, the amount of stuff required to make that happen was pretty funny. Oh, nice red light if we get an error too, right? So that was just, there's a thing. For me, I found, being a software developer and a software user, that to me it didn't matter whether something was ugly or not, that it was just useful. And I used to fight with people, not fight with people, but I found sometimes people would overdo it on what it looked like, and you would be lacking sometimes in the functionality. So I got the reverse going here. So this little blinky light is like, now I'm edging into starting to try to make it look nicer and sort of just nicer and more professional looking. So this is like an actual animation. And, anyway, so just a quick update. And those, I think, are the two main things. Oh, I tightened up the communication a little bit in the back end that you wouldn't see. But really, I don't think much else has changed. So there it is, man. That's it. Just a quick update on what's going on with the software. I like the blinky light thing, it's just, it's like a small thin light, and it's just like just not a circle. And of course I still have my weight circle. When we, let me see, will it do that? Yeah, right, when we move to page, it'll do a circle if it's like whatever, for some reason taking longer, right? Okay, everybody got that. All right, well, anyway, thanks a lot for coming by. This is version 1.0. I'll say the right version. See, I know I have this. It's not even dyslexia, because that's just, you get the right stuff. It's just backwards, right? I don't even get the right stuff. I know I'm version this, and it's right in front of my face. I see it. Version 1.007. Right. Got it. All right. So thanks a lot. Excuse me. Thanks a lot for coming by. I appreciate, a lot of nice comments and everything. And have at it, man. There's the software, and I'm just I have a nice. That Can app is coming up. I'm going to make a video within the next soon. All right, see you guys around, and again, have a great day.